Let's make some delicious pork chops. Gonna use a couple oranges, 2 limes, some vermouth, balsamic vinegar, and some mustard, and Italian seasoning and garlic. And I'm gonna make 2 pork chops. Let's put our marinade together. I have the orange juice and the lime juice here in a bag. I'm going to add balsamic vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons, some pepper, salt, and that's a 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 cup of the vermouth. You can use white wine instead, would be wonderful. And here's the 3 garlic and the tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Put that in there. Get this all mushed up. And we'll put our 2 pork chops in to marinate. And then put this in the refrigerator. I forgot to tell you, I forgot to show you that in the marinade, this is the leftover marinade here, that I added a tablespoon of oil. It can be vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever oil you like. And these have marinated for 7 hours in that bag, and I've put them on paper and trying to get them very dry because we're going to fry these up. Just make sure you get them as dry as you can. I'm going to add some oil to my hot pan. And place my pork chops in here. And cook this for 5 minutes. I've cooked these for 4 minutes. I'm going to turn them over. Move them around because this side always seems to be hotter. And trade them off. And I don't think I told you how long I marinated them. I marinated for 7 hours. I did this, I started marinating just before lunchtime. So I'm going to cook these 4 minutes on this side. I'm going to check them, and that's looking nice. Come on, let's check that. That one looks very nice. I'm going to take out most of this oil. Okay, got the majority of it out. Now I'm going to add the marinade. We're going to cook this in the marinade. And we want to turn the heat down just to it like a simmer. I'm going to put a lid on it and cook it for 7 minutes. Alright, it's been 7 minutes. I'm going to take the pork chops out. Turn the heat up a bit. And reduce the marinade. The marinade has become our sauce. Reduced down. It smells wonderful. Oh, it's gotten fairly kind of thick. I'm going to add, I've turned the heat off about a minute ago. I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter. And stir this in. Let's have a taste. cut this open and have a look. I did add some parsley, and look at that. It's just perfect. It tastes so good. Very nice naranja, like a naranja taste with the orange and the lime. Just wonderful. I hope you try this, and thank you so much for watching.